name's Amy, and I'm a hypnotherapist. And Marci came into my field about a couple of years ago, and I just really, the second I saw her, I really liked her because I liked what a deep dive she could take people through. And I was in this place of expanding, and I still am. So I went to her website, and I was checking her out, and I saw that she does sacred medicine. So I decided to go ahead and do a retreat with her a while back, which was absolutely amazing and incredible. And of course, I signed up for this retreat as well because it was just so good. What I love about Marci, and what I've never ever come across before, because I've had a lot of experience with sacred sacraments, what I love about Marci is that she gets you through this experience with so much depth. You are so prepared before you ever even go into the experience. You are so clear about what you're bringing to the sacred medicine. And then when you go into the experience with her, she is by your side the entire time. It is the most thorough I've ever had. As I said, I've done it many times before. It's all been beautiful. However, the integration process has not been there in the past. The preparation for it, I've never ever prepared for plant medicine the way I have with Marci. And it's not only the experience itself with her and what she brings to the process, because it's not just being with the sacraments, it's also all the in-between time that you have with her, and the coaching that you receive. You are so given so much clarity on what it is that you are seeking and help with your expansion. So I highly, highly recommend doing sacred sacraments with Marci. It has helped me so much in my own expansion. It's helped me call forth what I want to bring into my life, and I will continue to work with Marci for that reason. So thank you.